Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your host, Tyrone, back once again with another podcast. This time, we're also recording live here on YouTube. Thank you very much for checking out the podcast, the video, wherever you are. I appreciate it very, very much. So today, we're going to be talking about ideas on how to start your online business for free. Okay, that's the main thing. It's like majority of the things that I'm talking about, especially people who aren't from America, other places. One of their major problems that they're having is, the country allows this, allows that. They just don't know where to get started. And even I can speak on this upon myself, is sometimes they just don't have the money. They just don't have the money to get these tools, to get this, but they just want to get started. That is the main thing, right? Main thing is getting started. When you first start, you're not going to, how can I put it? Attraction won't be super fast at the beginning, but you will eventually catch up once you start learning the steps. Because that's the main thing, just getting started, how to structure your blog, where to post your blog, SEO, all these other type of things that I can teach you, that I even do for myself. If you go to my webpage, freedomenergy.com, go to the blog section, you will be able to see the blogs that I've done. I would suggest starting at the bottom, right? Look at my very first blog and what it looked like, right? I had no clue about what to do, how I was supposed to structure. And now you look at my new recent blogs compared to my last blog, you'll see that I've grown over that time. You'll be able to see the date and stuff I post those blogs. It's been over a year now because I really started going blogging and starting to get impressions, starting to get small amounts of sales. But I did start off paying for my website, freedomenergy.com. If you do it the right way, make the landing pages the right way, use the right systems, you'll have no problem. No problem at all. Hell, you can even use System.io. I didn't even put that on the list, but that's something else you could do. So let's just go ahead and get into the first point. The first point is you need to find your niche, right? Find your niche that you want to make content around. That's before you can even use any of these other services that I'm about to show you. That I'll make sure I'll do my best to make sure I put this down in the description area, put the links to all these websites and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully that will be helpful. Now, like I'm saying, you got to find your niche to make your content around. And once you get that, then you'll be able to, but that's your starting point, right? You'll be able to start with your niche so you know where to go, what products to use, all those type of things as well. But if you are interested, if you're truly interested in something like this, that's why I need, if you can do this for me, go over to my Twitter, go over to my YouTube, and go to my community page on my YouTube, and I guess check my profile, my area for the poll I just put out. I put out a poll and asking you, is this something that you want? I'm talking about it now on the podcast to bring it up. Say, do you want this? I mean, if you don't do it, if you guys don't want it, I'm not going to make it because I don't want to waste my time. I don't waste your time. I don't want to waste my time. So if you guys are interested, go to my Twitter, go to my YouTube, answer the poll question. All right. So the sites that we're going to be using today are, I don't think I have an order here, but basically we're going to start with Wix, HubSpot, Blogger, Medium, and Google My Sites. Okay. So Wix is what I use. I use Wix to run my website on, and I love it. I love Wix. Everybody always wants to dog Wix on this and that, saying that you can't build a real website with Wix, blah, 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 and all this other stuff. Well, that's maybe before I probably can say so, but they added so many things, and it's nice to have every single thing in one area. So that's why I love Wix. Wix will be my go-to. And the thing of it is, majority of these things, I'm especially with Wix. Wix, I do not have a affiliate or anything like that. I don't have no affiliates with Wix. I use Wix, and that's my number one thing. Is if you're gonna build a website and you don't want it to be, if you don't want it to be hard, if you want it to be simple, drag and drop, have everything in Wix will be good for you. Now, HubSpot is basically almost the same thing as Wix. They pretty much the same thing. It's all about the UI. Whatever you like, Wix or HubSpot UI. Me personally, I like, as I said before, I like Wix. So the other website is matter of fact, hold on, let me go over here to HubSpot. Now, HubSpot is great too. It's basically the same way. You can build your website here, free drag, like I said, here, free drag and drop editor. Same thing Wix has as well. Pretty much, there's really from these, like I said, we're not going to be getting too much into it, but this is basically about the same thing you can do on Wix. Is basically customer relation management. Is great for it. I know a lot of people use HubSpot and loves HubSpot as well. So it's a very good platform. You can't go wrong with Wix or with HubSpot. So the next one we're going to talk about is I guess Google My Site. And so wait a minute. So this one here. Oh, this one explaining. No, you know what? Actually, no. We're gonna go over to Medium first because apparently that's not the one that it was supposed to be that one. I guess I clicked on the wrong one when I was bringing this up. I'll fix that here in a minute. But Medium. Now, Medium is if you don't want to deal with the website, if you don't want to deal with, all this extra stuff, you just want to post blogs and put your affiliate stuff in there. Now, I will say this. The one thing that I watch the most on basically content that I see from other people is they when they make the content about Medium, right? They tell you to write a blog, best in a way like this, write a blog within Medium, right? And you can put your affiliate links in there, but it can't be like direct link to your affiliate program. It cannot be that. Medium does not like that. They will cancel your blog. They will get rid of it. So basically what you want to do is you want to build a landing page. Now with HubSpot and Wix, you're able to do that. System.io, you're able to do that. ClickFunnels, you're able to do that. Let's say System.io, Aweber thing, also GetResponse. Basically, they're around the same thing. They're, I guess the place where you can go, you can basically, I guess if you want to call a website, you can build landing pages. They're landing page builders. So instead of having a website, you can use those platforms to build landing pages because landing pages are gold, right? So, and I do not like where that little mark on my thing is right there. So, all right. So next one we have is Blogger. Blogger is basically what I started off with before I even found Wix. It was something just about, I don't know, just the way that it was setting up here. I mean, most likely if I were to continue to use Blogger, but I wanted a website. That was my main thing. I wanted a website where that I can basically have a little bit more control over things. That's the main thing. A little bit more control. I don't know. I just didn't feel I had the control with the blog and should have stayed with blogger.com, but Wix is where it's at. Wix is 100% where it's at right now. So let me see if I can find, make sure I can find this right. All right, there it is. All right, basically, Google My Sites is basically 100% free. It's made by Google. You can, I think when you make your name on there, you can see eventually you start off with it free. And it has like your name dot mysites.com, something like that. They changed the URL a few times, but that's basically what it will look like. Whoa, that was a glitch. I don't know where that glitch came from. All this is free. Okay. Wix is free. HubSpot is free. Google Site is free. Medium is free. Blogger is free. Okay. So basically these sites are free 100% that then you can upgrade your plan. But like I said, this one's gonna be about starting. I'm not paying anything. But if you can put a little money down in getting your website with WordPress and use other sites like Namecheap and Bluehost and GatorHost, where that you can find really good prices on buying your domain name. Okay, buying your domain name is cheap, right? Buying your domain name is cheap, but it's the hosting that's going to be the most expensive. I'll go ahead and say I pay about $20 a month for Wix each month for their platform for basic business beginners. So that's why I pay about $25 a month for that. So if you can afford $25 a month and $14 a year for your website, I will 100% say that you need to do that first. But if you can't do that, just go ahead and get started. But like I said, I can go more in depth in it, but I need to know that the community is behind me on this because I do not want to waste my time because like I said before, I have a lot of things that I'm working on as well. And time is money. Get on that now. When it comes to writing your, getting ready to write your content for your blogs, all right? Most people around here, we use ChatGPT, right? You can use other services like we'll say Writesonic, all right? Writesonic is the service that I use. I'll show you right here as well. All right. Now, Writesonic is what I use for my content. I love Writesonic. Writesonic is a little brother of Jasper. Jasper is like $100 a month. Writesonic is $19 a month and does the exact same thing. Okay. If you don't want to pay $100 a month by using Jasper and Copy AI, Writesonic is where it's at. I'll have the description down below. And if you're watching this pre-recorded. I mean, it has everything: article, ads, general writing, e-commerce. You can do stuff for social media, YouTube tags, intros, ideas. Now I know ChatGPT has people a whole bunch of different prompts, but that's the problem. There's too many prompts out there now, right? Everybody's trying to write a prompt, and half these prompts are garbage. Well, these are guaranteed to already be good because we get feedback on and say, look, we use this one. This one's garbage. Can you fix it? And they fix it. So this is the reason why I love using Writesonic. So this is my number one to go. If you're going to ask me what AI service you're going to use, Writesonic's going to be the one that I'm going to choose. That's my number one. I won't use anything else. So, all right, let's get back. So we use ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT can write your content. All right, let's just pull up ChatGPT on here. So there's Chrome extension stuff that you can use. Like this is that AI PRM. This is basically this is what I'm talking about. How prompts are so many different prompts that you can use. Hell, I'll give you another example. If you want to start a website, going through all of these prompts, listen to me now. Ad revenue, ladies and gentlemen, ad revenue. All right, let me get that on here. If you go through ChatGPT, download the APRM, go through these prompts, find the good prompts, go to these free websites and build a prompt page of trusty worth of prompts that you can do and drive people there, capture their emails, all that kind of stuff. And then you're starting to get email leads that you can use to promote your other products online. I mean, these people are already giving you the content. Just use it and check and say, okay, I tried this one's garbage, but this one I found, this one's better. Do that on your website. That's all it takes. That's very, very, very important to study what you're going to do before you make your content. Okay. So you use ChatGPT to write up your content, get it done. I mean, there's plenty of other good prompts that were over here. You can go to copywriting, and when you go over to copywriting, you can see everything that they have for basic for copywriting. Let me see. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Make sure I was looking at it right. All right. So yes, like I said, write a smart article best to rank #1 on Google. Stuff like this. This one got over 3,000 likes. I mean, go through the prompts and look at it, right? You'll go get it, get your blog written. All right. Your blog is written by AI. All right. You're good to go. Got it. Now, we all know, although Google does say that they do not mind AI content long as it's helpful, you still want to jazz it up a little bit. So right now I'm working on a prompt. I'm working on a prompt that will help you with all of this. That will help you with each paragraph. You highlight a paragraph, you rewrite the paragraph where that it sounds more, makes that sounds more human, but it sounds less robotic-y. Then you put those on Medium. You put those on your websites. Gotta remember, these are free websites. So at the beginning, you don't have to worry about it. But if you're doing this for free, you got to be on your social media game. If you're not on your social media game, then your promoting ain't going to work because you're not buying ads. You're not really getting Google traffic because you're mostly using free stuff. Now, Medium is different. Medium will be good because you can rank some stuff on Medium. So Medium actually, I will say, if you don't want to deal with Wix or HubSpot, Medium is your best. To me, I like Medium better than Blogger. That's just me. All right. So, also as well, so I'm looking at my notes, I apologize. But also, if you want to know how I edit my videos, if you want to know, like literally, I would show you, but I got some other video content in there that I want to release yet because I've been working hard on it and I want to release the names and the keywords I'm looking at. But I have over 20 short form videos that I made in my 2-hour long live stream I did before. So I cut those all down. So I have weeks worth of content ready to go. So if you'd like to know how I did that, make sure you like and follow this video, subscribe for the next coming up videos as well. Also, once you start getting your blogs together, I even got something even better for you. I have my free online ebook to teach you how to rank on Google. It basically breaks it down on your keyword research, how to study your competition, basically the nuts and bolts that you're going to need to write your blogs and rank on Google once you decide to get your page. So I have all the information as well. Everything's going to be linked down below in the description area. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for checking out this video. I'm going to leave it here. Also, thank you for checking out this podcast because this is a video and a podcast all in one. So thank you very much for listening. You guys have a great day. If you guys got any questions, go to freedomng.com, go to my chat bot that I got down the bottom and tell me your needs and I'll respond back to you ASAP. So thank you very much. You guys have a good one. Talk to y'all later.